Okay, we just got to Evan's house and it looks like I beat Cody, so let's go see what Evan's up to and we'll go from there. There's the other man of the hour. I was about to say, I guess I beat Cody.
I'd say a couple hours, but
I guess to you guys that's quick.
yeah, I mean most of it's out. These pallets.
Oh, you're good. Do you need any help with anything?
Where did my door go? I wasn't gonna show my door, but
It's somewhere.
yeah.
There's Bimmer boy. I wish I was so cool enough to have a Beamer, but whatever.
My car's pretty fun to drive.
Well, we're gonna get ready to help you pull out the engine. You've already gotten a jump start on though. You went through the interior and picked up some of those parts.
Yep. So
And then what else did you do?
basically what I did was I tore out the entire interior. Basically what I have left to do is the carpet and the pedals. Also, me and Chris we tore out the door, and that was a lot of fun. It took us probably about 3 hours or so.
Oh geez, that long.
Yeah, it was a lot of prying, a lot of cutting. We couldn't get it sawzawing too, and yeah, we just couldn't get it out. So we finally had to. I think we ended up finding like a 2-foot breaker bar, and we were able to pry it out, and thankfully that came out.
Well, I'm glad.
Yeah, and hammering too, a lot of hammering.
A lot of hammering.
Yeah.
I was about to say, I'm glad that came out, and yeah, I was about to say, it seems like you've cleared out some stuff. So yeah, all of that is out and about. Hey, look, you've got pedals here still.
Pedals still work.
Pedals still work. Yep, and then carpet. So you've gotten a lot of stuff out.
Yeah, it's basically down to the bare shell now.
Nice. Well, all right, let's I know you've had a long day already.
Food.
Yeah, you need food, but yeah, let's help you get this engine out.
Sounds good, thank you. Luckily, the entire drivetrain is still good. It still runs. I mean, as we talked about and showed, when was that? That was 2 weeks ago.
No, it was a week.
It's already been. Oh.
Yeah, it's only been 1 week.
So last week, yeah, we determined that it shifts into all gears. There's no abnormal noises whatsoever. Yeah. The only thing that suffered was this VTC oil control valve. The connector hit the shock tower and broke it off. The brackets that go to the billet engine mounts are bent. These two are definitely bent. Transmission mount, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sending it out anyways for inspection. What else? The passenger side outer CV joint is destroyed. And then the intermediate shaft that goes into the transmission and hooks up to the passenger side axle. The mount for that intermediate shaft actually cracked, which is very, I wouldn't say cool, but it's interesting. But luckily, Cody with Beastie, they're doing the J to K swap. Cody bought a whole new OEM assembly and didn't end up needing that housing, so he generously donated it to me. So I get to disassemble this one and put that new housing on.
I'm going to be generously donating a cage too. That's going to be 60 hours, which at my hourly rate is $6,000.
Yep. So, yeah.
But Evan has probably got 6,000 hours with me. Oh, 600 hours.
Plus more.
Anyway, with all the Enviate stuff, he helped me do a lot of the molds. Well, almost all of them.
So
it's a good down payment.
I was about to say decent trade or
so we've got that Can-Am project in the shop. He's gonna help me with molding on that.
Nice.
So so all about the buddy trades.
Yep, absolutely.
Hey, if friends can help friends in ways, it's a win.
Yep, absolutely.
Header's coming out, and then from there he's got to get the axles out. This one's just gonna fall out because it's broken.
Okay.
The axles come out, which is, I don't know, 20 minutes aside, maybe 10 minutes aside. Put that wherever, and then Yeah, from there it's just engine mounts, yank it out.
Okay, so the guys are about ready to take out the engine, so let's see how they're gonna do it. Engine's up. What's next?
Next we're gonna put the drivetrain on this block of wood, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna yeet it. When I mean yeet it, I mean us 5 guys, 4 guys. I don't know if you're gonna help. Maybe.
I was about to say, if I have to set it down, we can.
So we'll just basically pick it up and then we'll put it on this pallet, and then it'll sit there until I'm ready to put it in the new one.
Nice. All right, so all on the ground over there. So now it's a little bit more individuals, like based.
Yeah.
That's what you have to do.
Yep. So basically, you just have to take bits and pieces off. The exhaust is still left. Going to take off some of the rear trailing arm components, like the toe links. What else? Honestly, there's not that much left, and I still want to get it rolling. So when this car is ready to go to the crusher, I want it to be able to roll it out of the pole barn, and basically winch it onto the trailer. And then what we're gonna do is jack up the car, take off all the suspension components, then it'll just sit on the tub. So
sweet.
And that's pretty straightforward to do. Still got to take the front subframe out as well. I'm not too sure if I want to keep it or not. I'll have to inspect that, see if it's broke or bent. Other than that, that's really it.
Okay, and heard that there might be you got a shell?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay,
So,
I mean, not quite yet, but you.
Yep. So this Friday afternoon, I'm going to be leaving to go to the East Coast and pick up a possible shell. So see what happens with that.
Fingers crossed that this seller's better than the last one.
Yeah. No, I've been talking with this guy for the past couple weeks now, and he's a really cool dude. He's sent me a lot of information.
Good.
At first, he was really hesitant about selling it. He didn't really have it out on the market, but he just kind of threw it out there as a feeler. He owned this car for a couple of years now, and he's basically, I think he wants to get rid of it now. So
Sweet.
We're working out a deal, and when I get down there and determine what parts I need, come up with a total cost, and hopefully I'll bring it back home.
Yeah, an executive plan, and there you go.
Yep.
Sweet, dude. Well,
Absolutely.
can't wait to hear about it, and can't wait to see it.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you
Looking
later.
forward to it. See ya.